Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with MyWyoStyle. Let's make some delicious brownies. We're going to start with 3/4 cups of almond flour, 3/4 cups of coconut sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix these dry ingredients together. Now for the wet ingredients. Let's add 3 eggs, 3/4 cups of butter. Now let's stir in these wet ingredients. Now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips of your choice. Oil a 6x8 baking dish. And add your brownie mixture to this. Now we're going to bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. Keep an eye on it though, sometimes it cooks faster. And it was done right at 25 minutes for me. Now sprinkle some more chocolate chips on top while it's hot. I usually add more chocolate chips than this, but these are regular chocolate chips, so I'm not going to use that many. But definitely use a lot if you have your chocolate chips of choice. Let's cut into it. This will come out a lot easier than it looks. But you know the hubby and I, we gotta have it when it's still warm. Well, here it is. It is extremely cake-like, but all those chocolate chips inside and out make for double chocolate goodness. Well, friends, thank you again for watching this video. I sure appreciate you. And as always, may God bless you.